All right. Hello again, guys. Just another package arrived this morning. So this is probably my first Mac that I really purchased, and I got this off from Apple US, and I had it shipped through BuyNShip. Uh, so this one, like, I'll show you the price later on the video. Um, so this is the Mac Mini, the very cheapest, the base model. Um, and I got this off for about $500. With the qualified education purchase. This is about $600 if you buy it off from retail price, but there is a special education discount if you meet the certain qualifications. And instead of buying this local, I believe this one locally is about I think off from the website, 36,999 or something, or almost about 37,000. The converted price of this, if I've looked at my credit card statement, is just about 30,000 for the 500, or the conversion of the $500. And with that seems to be a really good deal. And from how they call this, from a shipping standpoint. So the shipping, this is about roughly about 2.8 pounds. So buy and ship actually charges the first pound, I think, around 620 pesos, and the succeeding ones is about 500 or something. Uh, if you do the delivery duty paid option. So yeah, just check out buy and ship. So I just could not exactly recall for the life of me on how much exactly it is. But I did buy an additional insurance for about roughly 900 pesos. So all in all, like again, like I'll just leave a picture towards the end of the video or somewhere in the video about the exact pricing on how much I got this. Um, but definitely it's just gonna amount to about 32, somewhere around the 32,000, if I'm gonna factor in everything. So wow, yeah, no, nice, cool box packaging from Apple.com itself. So this was directly ordered from Apple.com. So Mac Mini base model, M4, sealed. Nothing see here. Wow, yeah, cool packaging. I think it's my first time to order from Apple.com actually, and not just Apple.com, but Apple US. So again, this is the very basic model, which comes with 16 gig, the base M4 chip. So this is really attractive for its price, for its capabilities, and the reviews. And let's like tear it all up. So again, like this is, you know, first time opening this as well. We'll provide another in-depth review, from my experience standpoint. So nothing on the top, as with most Android devices. So again, like this is probably the first Mac Mini I've ever bought in my entire life. Um, so yeah, the power, Ethernet, HDMI, three Thunderbolt ports, two USB-C power indicator, and the infamous power button at the bottom. To be honest, like it just doesn't bother me much, and why the hell did Apple put that there at the bottom? And then underneath, it's just your standard US plug, which seems to be like a China plug. And the only reason is like it doesn't have any holes in it. And just your usual papers and whatsoever. So to be honest, Apple, you guys can already get away without this. But I do assume like there's some regulatory requirement with all of those disclosure papers there. The only reason why you still keep those. All right, I'll get this out of the way. The Mac Mini. Um, All right, sorry. Like I'm a pack rat, guys. Like I always love to keep the original packaging. Later on in the future, if I'm gonna sell my old gadgets and stuff, it's just like, hey, if I were buying the second hand, in the future, like I really would like to have the original packaging still as much as possible. So yeah, oh, I guess like this is just actually an unboxing video. So we'll probably do another video on powering this baby up. And yeah, and I got my setup here that is like again, like whenever I install gadgets or whatnot on my desk, like I always want to keep everything organized. All right, so that's at least the unboxing portion. So we'll check out some of the pricing, exact pricing on how much practically got this converted on my credit card, and as well as the total cost of the shipping and all in all cost versus price locally. All right, that's the unboxing part.